What is going on, everybody? Welcome to NMIGT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Nice to see you on this lovely Friday. But I just wanted to come back and give y'all an update on Electra, because as you can see, she is still not here. That's my buddy Jay's car, the one that's doing the work on the car right now. I might show you a little bit of that, but if you want to see a review on this, it has twin turbos on it. I could see what we can line up with him. Like I said, not too familiar with the twin turbo setup and everything that he has going on, so obviously I need that information also. But if y'all want to see that, let me know. Let me get to the subject at hand. Hold on. All right, everybody, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on Electra and tell y'all what Jay found with the car and some of the photos that he sent me, and I'll throw them up here. I'll probably start off with the sound itself if y'all didn't watch my previous video to show y'all what we were talking about, and then what was found along the way. There's some stuff loose, some stuff broken, but it's all coming together. The headers at this point are back on the car and complete. I'm also getting a clutch done, which is the McLeod RTS twin disc, so that's getting done at the same time. So hopefully Electra will be ready to shit and get by the time it gets back, if we didn't run into any more issues along the way. So I just wanted to get that out to y'all to let y'all know what is going on with her. And like I said, I will run the photos in the video after I finish my spiel. So we'll be right back. All right, everybody, before I continue on with the video, I am going to give you a little sneak peek of Jay's car, and I'll throw up his Instagram up here, and you will see it on the car itself. So let me show you just a little sneak peek of what he has going on. All right, here we are looking at the underside of his car, under the hood that is. We got the twin turd skis in here with the Boss 302 manifold, and there is his Instagram right there. If y'all are in the local area, he does do car repair, obviously. So if y'all want to hit him up on his Instagram and DM him, I'm sure he'll be able to help you out. But this is all I'm going to show you of the car. It's very impressive. And like I said, I don't have all the hard numbers on it and what it's done and what it's running suspension wise and what's this, that, and the other. So like I said, if he wants to spend the time with me, and we'll go over it, and we'll probably get that video out to you soon. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, on another note, guys, as you can see, I have Project 6 back there. My starter is still not willing to drive. I don't know why. It's got all this free time and whatever, but you know, we'll get her there. I think I might take her out this afternoon on it. But one of the subscribers wanted to know if I would do more content on her. So once I get my crap together, I will go ahead and try to do something with the V6. I know there are some V6 owners out there that like to do some modifications. I did put some exhaust on, not this one, but another one, the Roush Axlebacks, and it did sound pretty good. Still looking for exhaust on this. If anybody has Corsas, the Corsa Extremes, I don't know if they're Extremes for this car or the Sports, but anybody got a couple sound clips of that I can go take a sound of, a look of, sorry. Let me know, because I am still interested in getting some exhaust on here. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, well that's the deal with my car. As you can see, it has some little minor things going on with it, and hopefully we don't run into anything major along the way. But like I said, the clutch is going to go in, and we'll go from there. he says that everything's looking good and should be at least on the clutch part today. But on another note, I just wanted to congratulate my son because he's decided to start a YouTube himself. And I'm sure that if y'all don't know, Brandon Miranda, Minion 50, that's my boy. And he started a YouTube channel. And he'll be posting, I think he said every Wednesday. So go check him out. I'll throw the link in the description around this area somewhere. It's a young man's game. Like I said, I got into this a little late. I don't have the time to put into YouTube like he will. And like I said, he does have some mentors like Derek and a lot of other people that will support him and guide him through it. So hopefully he can make something out of it and it's worthwhile to him. So with that being said, let me talk about my channel a little bit. A lot of people have the misconception that I am rich and that I can do pretty much anything I need to do and blah, blah, blah. It's not like that. I do work a full-time job. Right now I'm working from home, which is kind of a benefit, but you know, I don't have deep pockets. I do have a family to support. I have a wife to take care of, a daughter to take care of. As you can see with the other car, my son, you know, he lives with me. He doesn't pay no rent, nothing like that, but I don't care about that. I'm here to support them in my way. So when I get the comments, well, you need to go do this or you need to go do that, it's not like that. I mean, if it's that easy, why don't you go do it, right? So not to be salty about it, but I'm just saying people are on different planes in life. And like I said, I am kind of on the older side. I'm cresting my 50 years. I'm at 47 right now. This year I'll be 48. And you know, I'm not at the best of health all the time. I did have a triple bypass, had both biceps surgery on and stuff like that. So I try to do what I can and I try to put out content for this channel. But like I said, it's not my main goal for this. And if I could find a niche that would work for YouTube in my lifestyle, you know, it would be awesome. But like I said, I just wanted to put out there, you know, just because you see XYZ doing this and this person doing that, I have a lot of friends that are kind of successful in this YouTube business. That's why I wanted to try it, you know, and give it a hand. But you have to have a certain knack and you have to have the time to build into it and get everything going. Like I said, when I started this channel earlier, I had some type of weird glitch or someone was freaking trolling me, adding subs to my YouTube channel, which eventually YouTube flushes out, I guess, is what they do. But what it's done, it's hurt me because I got 2,300 subscribers, I guess is what it is right now. But I might only have 1,000 or 2,000. The other 3,000 are bots or just sitting or dead or don't even watch my videos. So that kind of hindered my process in this. You're supposed to have so much watch time and everything else, you know, and I really don't have that right now. I got the subs, but I don't have the watch time. So I'm doing what I can to give y'all content, not continent. I'm not that good. You know, just trying to give y'all something to watch and something to hang on to or whatever. Like I said, I'm probably going to try to post once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on what's going on in that week. But like I said, I don't have the time to develop a plan to put something out there every day or every other day. I know y'all see some of my friends, you know, they're getting into it, they have time. And stuff like that, or you know, they're doing these crazy builds and you know, putting motors together, and you know, I can't do that. I wish I could, you know, not that I don't have the mental capacity for it, I just don't have the space and the time for that. And that's where I started to open up earlier, where you know, I'm not Daddy Warbucks, I'm not freaking loaded, so I'm doing this on wine taste with beer money, you know how that saying goes. So like I said, I'm doing what I can. And like I said, I would really like to do something with her car also. And like I said, if I had sponsorships or people throwing stuff at me saying, hey, you know, do this, do that for us, you know, it would be cool. But, you know, I don't. You know, when I spend my money on my cars, I'm spending my money. I'm not getting handouts. I'm not getting stuff from big companies saying, hey, yeah, you know, if you put this on your car, we'll help you out, even if it's a 50% discount or whatever. You know, I don't get that. And I'm not being salty with other people about it, because, you know, that's what they're working to do. And, you know, it's a young man's game, like I said earlier. Brandon may have those opportunities with people. I don't have those right now. And you would think that they would be okay with an older person, because they know that they're going to get what they're supposed to get. But, you know, it is what it is. But like I said, that's a whole different subject. And if you want to talk about it, leave a comment and we could talk about it, I guess. So, anything that y'all want to see on the channel, like I said, I'm open to suggestions. Mustang Week is a month and a half away. What is it? 8 weeks. It hasn't been canceled yet, but even if it is canceled, we are still heading down to the beach. There's going to be like 45 to 50 of us in different houses, like 5 to 6 miles apart. So there's going to be stuff going on nonetheless. It'll just be a different change of scenery. We'll have water and sand versus concrete and sidewalks. You know what I mean? So throw it out there. Like I said, and we'll go ahead and try to get you out some content, some new stuff. Like I said, I got the Expedition out. If anybody wants to know anything about that, I know it's a family car, but you know, it's something new. Like I said, I'm going to try to see if I can get Jay to hook up with me, and maybe we'll go through his car and what he wants people to know and what he don't want people to know. I know he doesn't mind about the turbos because they've been all over his page and, you know, whatever, but there might be other things in there that he doesn't want to divulge. Maybe I'll come back and revisit Pam's car a little bit. Like I said, I would really like to do a Whipple setup on her car, or VMP. I don't know about VMP. I'm not sold on it quite yet. I love my Whipple though. I do love Whipple. So if Whipple, if you're out there and you want to hook up a brother, not even hook up a brother, help me out a little bit with the price of it, maybe I'll go ahead and get that and we'll have a build with her. Like I said, I want to do stuff with the V6. I want to do some filming of, you know, my daughter learning how to drive it and do whatever, but I want her to be a little bit more confident before I throw a camera in her face, because of course, you know, shit happens, right? So anyway, I hope y'all are having a good day. This is my little rant at the end, and I know it's kind of a here and there type of situation, but you know, it's one of those things in life that, you know, if you're passionate about something, do it for the right reasons. Don't do it because XYZ is telling you to do it. Don't do it because you feel like everybody else is doing it. You need to do it. You need to go out there and find what works for you. That's what I tell my son every day. I was like, if you're going to start this channel, do it for yourself. Don't do it because your buddy is doing it or someone is pushing you towards it or you're around it all the time. Do it because you want to do it. And I think he'll find his niche, and I think he'll find the way he wants to do it. So like I said, go support him, because like I said, he'll be the one to watch, because he's done 2 videos and almost has as many subs as I do in watch time. So, and you know, if y'all seen Brandon, he has a personality bigger than his world. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that, but we'll catch you on the next video, maybe sometime next week, maybe once I get Electra back, and we'll go test her out and see that she's doing all right, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace and stay cool.